Let's see the program on calculating area of different shapes using the abstract class. When a class will be called as abstract class, if it is declared using the keyword abstract, a class which is declared abstract is known to be abstract class, and it contains abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. Here we have only abstract methods. Okay. Before that, what is abstract method? A method which is declared as abstract. Abstract is a keyword with a function signature and without any functionality. Okay. Here, see this method. The find rectangle. We have defined the functionality. Okay. We have written the statements. What this function should do. It is called as implementation. Whereas abstract method have only function declaration and it does not have any implementation. In this class abstract calculate area, we have three abstract methods, the methods without any functionality. Okay, we are going to use this abstract class and we will define the functionality for each of these three abstract methods. Okay, how to use the abstract class is we need to extend that class. We need to extend that abstract class and we have to provide the functionality for each of the abstract methods with the same signature. We cannot change the either return type or type of arguments or number of arguments. We should follow this function signature including the return type and arguments also. Okay, this class find area is extending the abstract class calculate area. So what should we do in the find area? Should implement find rectangle, find square and find circle. See, we have given functionality for each of these three abstract methods. Okay, here we have given the functionality for abstract methods, but we have written the main in another class. Okay, in the class area we have written the main method, so this will be the starting point for execution. What we have done here, we have created object for the find area class which I have extended the abstract class calculate area. Okay, using the scanner class we are reading some input values to pass for these functions, so the corresponding area will be calculated. To find the area of rectangle we should need length and breadth values, so we are asking the user to enter length and breadth of the rectangle. So we'll give length and breadth, those will be captured into LNB, and we're calling the method find rectangle with those values length and breadth. Okay, area is the object for find area class. Okay, in the find area class we are calling find rectangle where L and B are read at the time of runtime. So we are calculating length into breadth and we are printing area of rectangle as the resultant value. Okay, after that we are asking the user to enter side of the square. We are reading the side of the square value as S and we are calling the method find square with the side S, side value S. So let's see that method find square. Okay, what find square is doing, it is receiving the side of square, calculating the area as S into S, side into side. We are printing that area value. Similarly, after square we are asking user to enter radius of the circle. We are reading the radius value and we are calling the method find circle, providing the user given radius. This find area circle is accepting the given value of the radius and we are calculating as pi r square. Pi value is 3.14 into r and we are printing the calculated area value. Okay, and let's see the output. Okay. From the main function, the statement is executed. Enter length and breadth of the rectangle, and here is the controller. It is waiting for user to give a double value so that it will capture the user given double value and will copy that value to the variable L. Okay, let's say the length of the rectangle be 5. Okay, after giving 5, it is still waiting for user to give another double value so that it will capture the double value into variable B. Variable B holds for breadth of the rectangle. Let's give the breadth value as 6. Okay, if I press enter, what will happen? The 6 value will be captured and will be copied to the variable B, and then the find rectangle method will be called with the values 5 and 6 as L and B. And in the method find rectangle, L into B will be calculated, which will be 5 into 6, and it will print area of rectangle as value of the area, nothing but 50. Let's press enter here. See, area of rectangle is 30. Okay, this function is completed. Again go back to main method. This function is completed, and we are going to print system.out.print enter side of the square. Okay, enter side of the square. Again the controller is waiting for the user to enter a double value. It is asking for user to enter a double value. If we give a double value, it will be captured to the variable S. Okay, let's give side of the square as 4. What will happen if we press enter? This 4 value will be copied to the variable S, and we will call the function find square. And in the find square method, S will receive the value 4 and will calculate S into S as 4 into 4 16. Area will be stored with the value 16 and will print area of the square as 16. Okay, let's press enter here. See, area of the square is 16. Okay, after this function is completed, again controller is back to the main method, and it has printed enter radius of the circle. Enter radius of the circle. Okay, after printing enter radius of the circle, the console is still waiting for what? For user to give a double value so that it will capture that into variable R, and it can call the find circle method. Okay, let's give circle radius as 6. Okay, if we press enter, 6 will be copied to R and find circle method will be executed. Okay, that's what happened. R is occupied with the value 6. Find circle method is called. It is calculated the 3 pi r square value and has printed area of square as 113. Program execution has been completed. Okay. The main thing is, if we have the functionality, why we need the abstract class and abstract methods? Abstract class and abstract methods will serve as a rule. They will specify what the function name should we use and what kind of arguments we should use. They will serve as rules how to implement and what to implement. Okay, we will see further about abstract methods after interfaces. By this we will close this.